Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to the channel. This is Cheryl Johnson with Hey Girl TV. If you're into lifestyle, fashion, and fragrance, this is the place to be. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the Advent calendar. Y'all, we got 5 more days to Christmas because that's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Day 8 with 5 more days of Christmas left. 5 more days. Like 5 more days. Oh my gosh, stuff is just going so fast. So this is what we have on 5 more days. This is another, oh, this is a lip oil. Guys, it says tinted lip oil. Oh my god. Smells like sugar cookies. Tinted lip oil. Very lightly tinted. But yeah, ooh, a lip oil. That is so cute. This will be so good to carry in my bag. Like, I'm so excited about that one. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video because y'all, I got a good one today. We're gonna be unboxing my new Estée Lauder gift. I don't know if it's a gift set. I bought something. This is what I bought, and then I was able to buy another set for like $79, and it was worth over $500. Let me get it. Let me. This is what we got, you guys. Can you see it? This is what we got. So we're gonna open this together and just talk about some of the products that are inside, and I'm very excited. I'm new to Estée Lauder. I've been looking for a new serum, and I keep coming back to the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I mean, I've been all over searching the internet for something, and like I said, this one keeps coming up. So like I said, I bought the kit first, and then I was able to get this beautiful set. Oh, I didn't know it comes with a red, like a travel bag. Ooh, this is gonna be good. So if you're interested in seeing what this, well, actually seeing each product out of this box, keep watching. This is gonna be good, y'all. Ooh-wee. Okay, so we're back. Yeah, it's so, like, it's just, everything is in here today. Like, yeah, we had a fun day today with the toys. So yeah, so let me go ahead and open this up. Had to look up to see if I was filming, because sometimes I have to be filming and don't be filming, okay? Ooh, oh, this is cute. Ooh, y'all, this is nice. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna keep the little plastic on there on the top. Oh my goodness. I'm opening it up right now. Oh, and there's another box inside. This is awesome, girl. All you need is just, you can put you know, a little negligee in here, your little stuff, and you can go on about your business. This is cute. Okay, so here is the box with everything in it. Oh, and they have everything like wrapped. Okay, so this is gonna be good. Okay, so the first item is going to be the Revitalizing Supreme. That's pretty cool. Does it have like the list of stuff? or like a little, you know, normally you have like a paper or like a flyer. I don't see anything like that in here. Let's see. So this is, it says it's a youth power cream. Ooh, that is what I need. Beautiful bottle. It's like gold. That's pretty cool. Some hair in my eye. Okay. Doesn't have much of a smell, but this is the consistency of it. So it looks very moisturizing. I'll put a little bit on my hand.
Mom, how take a picture?
So yeah, that hand looks a lot better, you guys. Okay, so that was the first item. Okay, woo, this feels like Christmas. The Advanced Night Repair Eye Surcharge Gel Cream. Oh wow, that's a nice size. I've never seen an eye cream that big before. Ooh, look at the consistency of that. That's nice. I love the packaging. That's gonna be great. That's a really nice size eye cream. I'm excited about that. Ooh, 2 lipsticks. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh no, that's just like, oh, that's like decoration. I was trying to wipe it off. So I got 2 lipsticks. The first one, oh my God, look at the lipstick. It has like, it's got designs all over it. That's pretty cool. So let me see. That's one, it's like a plum color. And then I have like a red color. That's gonna be really nice. So these are the 2 colors right there. Like a mauve pink and then a red. Yes. So that's there. Ooh. Ooh, the Advanced Nighttime Repair. So I have a large one and then I have another one of those. This is really great. I don't know a lot about Estee Lauder, but I do know that this is the serum that I was that I had researched, and I went ahead and bought it based on all the good stuff they had to say about it. This is like the 7th time it's been reformulated, and it helps to overturn your cells even faster overnight to repair the skin, and it also has a lot of humectants which help to moisturize the skin. So I'm really excited about that. I started using some of this yesterday, well last night, and I didn't really notice a big difference, but I need to keep using it. So I'm gonna do 30 days and then I'll come back and tell you guys like what the changes were and how well it works, because it has a lot of good reviews. Okay, so I got some little bitty ones. Let's see what these are. I have the Advanced Night Repair Eye. Is that Advanced Night Repair Eye? So I got like a little small baby one of this one. And let me see, what is this? And then the Revitalizing Supreme, and then I got a little one. Okay. I am still digging in this box, you guys. Ooh, I got an Advanced Night Repair Multi-Recovery Complex. So is that the same thing? No, that's a synchronized. Yeah, synchronized multi Recovery Complex. So I got like a little small travel one of these two. Okay, so I got like 2 of each of the full-size products. Okay. Ooh wee. Oh, here's the good stuff, you guys. So I got, is there, I don't know what, let me see. Satin Reflect. Estée Lauder Pure Color Envy Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh. So this is really nice. These are all the colors that I use. So those are all the colors that I swatched. Everything you need to do a very natural beat, and then you can also vamp it up with this dark color for a great smoky eye. So this one is really great. So tomorrow what I'll do is I'll make an eye look out of that new palette, and I'm excited about that. I know there was something else. Wait a minute, because there's so much stuff. Okay, and then something in a box. Ooh-wee. And then I got a, oh my God, this is what I needed. Thank you, baby Jesus. It is a gentle eye makeup remover. This is what I really needed. This is really cool. I love this one. So let me see. I think there should be like one more thing. Oh, I was like, I knew I saw something else. Ooh, oh my God. Ooh. So I got, what is this? Oh, this eyeliner is butter. And I have, look at this beautiful mascara. Beautiful, it has beautiful design. Let's see the brush on it, because the brush tells me about them. Ooh, ooh, that's like an old school. I love that kind. I have mascara on right now, so I'm not gonna be able to really put that on. And then I got a beautiful red lip gloss. So over that, you see the lip gloss, the lipstick that I have right there. That right there. So let's put, oh, it has like a, it's like a lip gloss. It has like a little brush on the end. See how that looks? Oh yeah, it just glosses that red lipstick up. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, it smells really good. Almost like candy. So it just kind of took that red to a whole different level. So yeah, that's like everything that I got today. I'm so excited about this set. So I'm gonna put everything in here that I received, and then we'll do an eye look tomorrow with this eye palette, the eyeliner, the mascara, the lip gloss, and lipstick, so we can get a whole look. And I'll probably do the skincare like right before as well. Now the only thing that I don't have is a cleanser. So I'm probably going to, I'm thinking that I'm going to be getting some points or dollars back from Macy's, because I've been shopping with them lately. I want to shout out to Macy's. Hi Macy's. You guys know I love you. And so hopefully I can take that and buy the cleanser to match, because that's the only thing that I need. I have like essence. I have, and then maybe another bottle of essence, because I have a small bottle of essence in the kit that I showed you earlier. That kit has a small bottle of essence. It has eye cream, the night repair, and then the essence. Oh, and like a concentrate, something concentrate. So yeah. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section, and I'm so excited about this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This is nice. I've been wanting to have like a little travel or just this. I've been wanting this right here. So I'm very grateful to have this. And yeah, leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back with you. And you guys know the drill. Peace and chicken grease. Bye. This was fun.